the very first video I made about green veins and skin damage on this channel, I mentioned that I still had green veins and I was still treating my green veins at the point. That was last year, about October of last year. As at October of last year, I still had green veins remaining in some parts of my body. But as at this time I am talking to you, they have all cleared. And I didn't have to get darker for the green veins to clear. A lot of people think, oh, you need to get dark if you not.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
If you're experiencing green veins, if you're experiencing red veins on your body, you are having thin skin, like your skin is feeling thin, your skin is feeling dry, it is feeling rough, there is a high possibility that your skin barrier is damaged. There is a high possibility that your skin is damaged and it needs repair. Now, I am making this video because recently someone contacted me for personal skin consultation, and she said that she has been using body oil, this Palmer's body oil, for a long time now to clear green veins, and the green veins has not been clearing. She even stopped using her lighting lotion, and yet she's getting darker, but the green veins are still there. So that is the reason why I am making this video. Now, if you have green veins, okay, if you're experiencing green veins, let me talk about that a bit. If you're experiencing green veins, you don't just use an oil to clear green veins or to repair your skin, because the reason why you are experiencing that green veins might not be the reason another person is experiencing it. Another person might use that same particular oil and it is going to help the person, okay, to repair the person's skin. Then the green veins is going to fade out of the surface of your skin, but your own case might be different. Okay, and another thing I wanted to mention is, if you are using a cream and it starts giving you green veins, if you stop using that cream, you are going to get darker, but that green vein is not going to go. You're just going to get darker and you're going to feel that the green vein is disappearing. What you're supposed to do, the right thing to do, is to get a body repair body lotion. It is a body repair body lotion that is going to help to deeply repair your skin. Now, how do body repair body lotions work? They work in different ways. Okay, body repair body lotions have combination of both oil ingredients and hydrating ingredients, because to properly repair your skin, you actually need hydrating ingredients. Okay, you need an ingredient that is going to help to attract moisture into your skin and also to hold moisture into your skin. Okay, there are some products you are going to use, they can attract moisture into your skin, but they can't hold that moisture into your skin. That is why you need to pay attention to the ingredients of the body lotion you are buying. Okay, so I'm going to giving you a list of 6 body lotions that you should be getting if you want to repair your skin, depending on the signs of skin damage that you are experiencing right now. All right, so number 1 is using a body lotion that is going to attract moisture into your skin. Okay, seal in moisture, like hold in the moisture, the hydration into your skin, and then seal it in. These are 3 different levels of skin hydration and skin moisturization, and if you don't get these 3 things in place, that's your skin repair journey is going to take a lot of time. Now, what body oils basically do, aside from the fact that body oils have nourishing ingredients in it that benefit our skin, body oils, what they topically do to your skin is just to seal in moisture, to seal in hydration. Now, when you finish having your bath and you just carry oil and apply on your body, for the sake, remember, you can use oils for different purposes, okay, but for the sake of skin healing, it is not going to really work for you, because for your skin to heal, it needs different levels of hydration, which only that remaining water on your body after just having your bath and then applying the oil is not going to do it for you, because there's nothing on your skin attracting moisture, there's nothing on your skin holding back moisture. You just use that thin layer of oil, depending, some people don't even apply much of the product. Okay, just that thin layer of oil is what you're going to apply on your skin, and before you know it, your skin is going to feel dry. Over time, you're going to start getting darker and your skin issues is going to get worse. So I hope you have understood what you have been doing wrong in the past, is hoping on only a body oil to help you to clear green veins, or a shea butter. Some people even use shea butter. They're applying shea butter so that the green veins will go or will clear, something like that. I've said it several times on this channel that green veins does not clear. There is nothing like to clear green veins. Okay, green vein, that those green veins you are seeing on your hands, they are your veins. They can't clear from your skin or clear from your body. No, it is being visible to the skin, to your eyes, because your skin thinned out. Okay, and there is something that thinned your skin out, and it is not only lightening body lotion that can thin out your skin. Medication can thin out your skin. Some health issues can thin out your skin. Okay, for a lot of people that are experiencing green veins and they say that they don't use any bleaching cream or lightening soap or even brightening soap, it can be that you have health issues that you are not even aware of and your skin is thinning out. Do you understand? That is the reason why you are seeing those green veins. It can be that it is a deficiency, it can be maybe vitamin E deficiency, it can be omega fatty acid deficiency. Your skin or your body is deficient of a particular nutrient, hence the reason why you are seeing those green veins. So you don't necessarily need to use a lightening cream before you can start seeing green veins on your body, and they don't clear out. The only thing that happens is that your skin is going to start getting thicker again. As your skin starts getting thicker, then it is going to clear. Now, the first body lotion that I'm going to recommend is Nivea Nourishing Cocoa. That is the one I personally used. Okay, I used Nivea Nourishing Cocoa from early this year. I got it January and I used it on my skin and it has really helped my skin. Okay, the very first video I made about green veins and skin damage on this channel, I mentioned that I still had green veins and I was still treating my green veins at the point. That was last year, about October of last year. As at October of last year, I still had green veins remaining in some parts of my body. But as at this time I am talking to you, they have all cleared. And I didn't have to get darker for the green veins to clear. A lot of people think, oh, you need to get dark. If you now get dark, or if you stop your brightening cream or you stop your brightening soap, you are going to get darker. No, that is not how it works. Okay, so right now, for me, I used Nivea Nourishing Cocoa to finally clear, like for my skin to finally get the last level of healing, for the green veins to totally clear from my skin. The next product I'm going to be recommending is still from Nivea, which is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care. This particular one, I had someone that used it and it really helped her skin. It nourished her skin and it helped her skin to repair very quick, because this particular product has a lot of beautiful oils in it. It has humectants, it has emollients joined together to give you that triple healing, benefit on your skin. So this is another body lotion that can help to heal your skin very fast. Now, the third lotion I have for you is from Vaseline, and that is the Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Body Lotion. This body lotion is very nice. Like, it is crafted to help to repair your skin. This one also is also good for people with dry skin, rough skin. It is going to also give your skin that smoothness. Okay, all the lotions I have here, they are super amazing for skin repair. All right, now the next one I have on my list is from Eucerin. That is the Eucerin Intensive Repair Body Lotion. Okay, this is also very good body lotion to repair your skin. The next one is the Nivea Repair and Care Body Lotion. This one is absolutely amazing. Then the last one is from Lubridem. This one is amazing. Amazing. Okay, yeah, if you have very dry skin, like your dry skin is very severe, get Lubridem. You are going to love it. And that's the Lubridem Intense Skin Repair Body Lotion. Okay, these are body lotion that if you start using them, they are going to help you to repair your skin. Whatever reactions you are seeing on your skin, they are going to gradually fade away. Green veins, red veins, whatever it is, dryness of the skin, thinning out of the skin, these lotions are going to help your skin to repair. They are going to nourish your skin. They are going to feed your skin with the necessary nutrients that is going to help your skin. Now, there are key ingredients you should be looking out for when it comes to skin repair. When it comes to butters, Shea butter and cocoa butter is very good for skin repair. When it comes to oils, jojoba oil, castor oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. These four oils, they are very, very amazing when it comes to skin repair. So anything you are getting, any body lotion you are getting, even if you want to get a body oil, get body oil that has these combinations in them. Okay, and now when it comes to body lotions, look for body lotions that have niacinamide, that have urea in them, that have ceramide in them, that have provitamin B5 in them, that is panthenol. These are ingredients that are going to give you a high level hydration, high level skin healing. Okay, these are products joined with humectants and emollients to help draw in moisture and lock in moisture into your skin. So this is basically what today's video is all about, because of what I mentioned initially. Okay, if you're having skin damage, please, only body oil is not going to do it for you. You need a combination of oils, humectants, and active skin nourishers, okay, which are the likes of the provitamins, the ceramides, panthenol, and all of those things. You need those things to properly give your skin that deep nourishment, deep hydration, and deep healing that it needs for your skin to properly heal very, very fast. This video is for people that actually want to heal their skin very fast. So that's all I have for you. I hope you found value. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'm going to see you on our next one.